We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of. Yeah, this is Everton Blender. It's all about the young police from Jamaica. See Young Police Channel. Big up yourself. Everton Blender said that. We no afraid, we no see no one where we afraid of.
If you are tired of seeing criminals get away with murder, tired of hearing excuses for the wicked, then it's time to take action. Hit that subscription button now and stay in the loop with the Jamaica Young Police Channel. We are not here to sugarcoat. We are here to expose the truth, bring justice, and make sure the real heroes get the recognition they deserve. Don't wait for the change. Be the change. Subscribe, like, and let's make some noise and hold those criminals accountable. Justice in action. Speak up. Crime must fall. And remember that we have go inside this description box and you'll see various links to various things for the Jamaica Young Police Channel. JamaicaYoungPoliceChannel.com, where you will see articles and stuff like that. Those who like to read, and we continue to give you guys exceptional material over here. So, moving on. Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police Channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives at this channel. We at the channel aid criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. Moving on to today's video. Before I dive into today's video, I want to pause to make a heartfelt appeal to each and every one of you watching. Please, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Yes, why? Because this channel is not just another platform. It is a movement. Our motto is simple yet powerful. United we win. Divided we lose. This space is built for all people who believe in unity over division, in coming together rather than tearing each other apart, whether you're black, white, yellow, green or blue, whether you speak Spanish, Italian, German, French, Arabic. We're all one people. African. History has shown us time and time again that when we are divided, we become weaker. Our enemies gain ground. The loudest and most destructive voices dominate, and the ones who profit from confusion and chaos keep winning. And it's the rich people. Why this matter? When you subscribe, you are not just supporting a channel. You are standing for a cause. A cause that says we choose unity over rhetoric. We choose truth over propaganda. We choose strength in numbers over weakness in division. So look around. The ones who scream the loudest and push their destructive agendas are the very same ones who thrive when we divided. Yes, when we are divided, they thrive and they laugh at us because they know that they have a segment of the society who we call them special, or sometimes with us being raw, we call them dummies, because whether or not you want to believe it, when someone is going to vote against their own interests, you have been living in abject poverty and you keep voting year in, year out, and your life haven't changed. All you have to do is just change course, try something different. Same thing with the people them in a concrete jungle, Jones on my community. They have been sucking up to these people who have been for decades. I've been just robbing them. Just give them crumbs and chain them like dogs. So look around you. As I said, Beer, look around you. The ones who scream the loudest and push their destructive agendas are the same ones who thrive when we are divided. They feed off discord. They profit when neighbors fight neighbors. They grow stronger every time we allow ourselves to become distracted and divided. But when we come together, when we as a people stand as one, their power collapses. This is a movement bigger than us. Subscribing is not about me. It's about us. It's about joining a family, a collective, a voice of reason that will not be silenced. By subscribing, you are putting your weight behind a message that says, we will not allow division to destroy us. We will unite, we will rise, and we will win. So my brothers and sisters, I ask you, stand with me. Stand with this community. Hit the subscribe button right now and let's show the world what unity looks like. Because remember, united we win, divided we lose. Unity is strength, and you can't beat that. Yes, you know that Andrew Wallace had one day, his third term, as Jamaica's Prime Minister. First, a Jamaica Labour Party Prime Minister was able to achieve success at the ballot box. And you know that in spite of everything, we at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we celebrate. I celebrate. And I know that my loyal viewers and subscribers, I don't have a cult in a period, because I understand I don't have a cult over here. And I don't have people who worship me and treat me like a deity. So, we don't operate a cult over here. I just tell people the real mama papa truth. Some people vex, and I am not here to please people, to make people comfortable. I'm going to tell you the uncomfortable truth. So it's going to rock you even that time. I say, wait, I can't believe the boy I'm a supporter say that. But that's the kind of person I am. Unpredictable. In the right way, because my job is to make sure that my people, whether you're black, white, yellow, purple, brown, I don't care. I hate criminals with a passion. Criminality is corruption, And anyone who dive in it or dwell in it, you're just a part of the cabal. So you know that this is the first time since the 1990s. Most Jamaicans don't even know it, that when it comes on to taxes, the PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization, they are the head cook and buckle washer when it comes on to taxes. They kill it with taxes. They are the one that introduced GCT to us in Jamaica. And every year them raise taxes. Them even raise taxes on egg, handcart people, dance. Most of these Jamaican people, them can't think, I remember back then when they keep dance. Dance are poor people normally keep dance. Government not tax it or anything like that. You just keep your dance and that's it. You keep or you make. PMP come in with that now. Make law. Yeah. Because everything them have to tax it. When you see poor people, I can tell you the majority of the people them keep dances in Jamaica. There are people who are affiliated to the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization. Labor rights are to keep dance, because labor rights are entrepreneurs. Them have businesses, so them have to delve in the music and the drugs world. You understand? If you notice, a big top promoter in Jamaica where a PM, where a labor right. Like you could have point say, boy, a Dodos, a Money Mike, Jerome from Mapen. Jerome man a big, him just do it for him people then, because him come from Mapen. So that's why I'm used to keep that, that yearly show. So making people them a McLaren and have something for for feel good about themselves. And most of the promoters them in the dancehall industry are PMP. Them say Scatterbarrel a labor right. I don't believe that, because if Scatterbarrel can't be a labor right. All my Vibes Cartel in a business. You understand? Joe Blagojevich, from America. Remember, based on his affiliation and the people them, Joe could not be in a labor right, because the few labor right artists them know in Jamaica, if you look, never been to jail. Call them positive. They don't promote violence, they don't promote killing of people and all of these things. So Andrew Wallace won the election. You know, there are a whole heap of haters out there, and them I pray for Jamaica fall. They have done it, you know. Remember, I said the PMP, they have tried it. And I'm going to do a video about that. So family, let us reason together. Too many people ask, why so many PMP, LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters, activists and voters hate Andrew Wallace? The truth is simple. They don't hate him for failing. No, they don't hate him for failing. They hate him for succeeding. They hate him because his leadership has brought progress, stability, and relief to ordinary Jamaicans. Deep down, they wish it was their party making such strides. So, I have 2 videos for you guys to watch. 2 videos. And I want you to watch the video. Please, watch the video to the end. I don't, you understand, because I put in my heart and soul into it. Because, look, I don't expect to be here every day, I'm that fool would think that they're going to be here every day. I know that one day I'm going to depart this earth, but at least I want to know when I depart this earth, I left things that can help generations after and generations after. Because I love my people. I am not doing this to make money. When I say to make money, because what I'm imparting to the people are knowledge. You understand? And knowledge, keep to yourself, is not no knowledge at all. You understand? So, you're going to watch the, I have 2 videos for you to watch, 2 Jamaicans telling you why they hate Andrew Wallace. One young man, and the young people them is going to change this country because they don't like the killings. The PMP, LGBTQ criminal, them not a problem for blood spill because once them in a power, them not care how many people that die, get killed. As me, I am totally against killing our own people or any people. So for more than a decade, Andrew Wallace has not introduced a single new tax. Let's let that sink in, This is historic. Jamaicans remember when budgets under the PMP LGBTQ plus criminal organization meant tax after tax. I saw them work. Them kill you with tax. The PMP, them tax all egg, them tax uncared people. Them are Mr. Tax and Spend. I saw them work. Them love black people. Them want black people always in a abject poverty. Them say them love you when you're poor. Them love the poor. Anybody tell you say them love you when you're poor because they want to keep you in a abject poverty. Food went up, fuel went up, electricity went up. They drain the people dry. I saw the PMP them work. Oh, let's change that. Families now breathe easier knowing the government isn't digging deeper into their pockets. And the PMP LGBT plus criminal organization, they hate this because it reminds the people of their own failures. So them hate Andrew Wallace because Andrew Wallace has shown them say, this is how you can govern without kill your own people. So I'm going to let you watch Andrew Wallace, these young people telling you about all of the things and that they enjoy with Andrew Wallace government. No new taxes. I hear this young man first time homeowner. You know, if your 40s to get house under Andrew Wallace NHT. No, it make it sure so young people can have own a piece of Iraq. So you watch, you listen, and you decide. 2 videos I want you to watch, and then I'll come back and finish it. And please watch the videos to the end.
In 2017, when I was buying a house at 27 years old, my mortgage was going to be $26,800. When Mr. Honorable Andrew Michael Ones came into office, it said, based upon your annual income, you will reduce your NHG mortgage interest rate by a certain interest rate percentage. My interest rate went from 6% to 4%. In 2020, he did it again, and my interest rate went from 4% to 2%. Brought down my mortgage all the way down to $16,000. So you see, I got back $11,000 in my pocket without the government physically put it in my hand. You understand me? So I can say he lived up to his word for me. You understand me? Tell us that he did for you. You know,
the people that hate Andrew Wallace in Jamaica, they can't relate as this man. Because most of them don't work, them don't pay taxes, them don't know what it is. They don't pay taxes, they don't want a home, them live in their mother and father, same here. Lazy, beggy, licky. So they cannot relate to what this man is saying. Anytime taxes increase on the people in Jamaica, it don't bother them because they're not the ones that paying it. It's their parents. Because them live with them parents. Them no work, them lazy, licky, beggy, wanga god, and you can't poison them easy. So that's a man who's a Jamaican and telling you of his experience. Now look to your government for anything but the government is to make his life better. And that is what Andrew Holness has been doing for the Jamaican people. Andrew Holness is a black man, you know. And the black people don't like him. They love the foreigner, the man born in England. And, you know, come a Jamaican and pretend to be Jamaican. But we know that Damian Crawford will straighten him out. So, now, we are going to listen to another man who's telling you about why the people in bad mind Andrew Holness. And everything that this man is saying is true. So you watch, you listen, and you decide.
Haters hate Andrew Holness. You have the one them will hate him simply because I'm a freedom party and make the progress in the country. Them love what go on, but them don't like say JLP do it. And then you have those, which is the dangerous one, we don't like the fact that crime gone down, unemployment gone down, teenage pregnancy gone down, better opportunity for the youth them. Them don't like that. Them like when them numbers they high. Them like when people poor and suffering and live on tin mackerel and flour, tin mackerel and rice. Them love that because with them business get to thrive off of that. So when youth uplift themselves and better themselves, them don't like that. And it's the same thing for Central Kingston. Enough people don't like Donovan Williams for what him do. Them wish a freedom party did that do it. Bad mind, not telling them 5 more years, 4th term loading. Remember that.
You know, so you hear the testimony of 2 Jamaicans. So another fact, interest rates are down and young Jamaicans are buying homes, teachers, nurses, police officers, soldiers. All now have a chance to own property. Homeowners build independence and dignity. But here's why the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization activists hate it. Home ownership make people strong, independent, and less reliant on handouts. It creates generation that cannot be manipulated with $5,000 at election time. Homeless is empowering the future, and they fear it. So there are 2 Jamaicans. There are 2 Jamaicans, and I'm going to do a video about it. You have the builders, hard-working taxpayers, entrepreneurs, professionals, and law-abiding citizens. Then you have the parasites, the lazy men, women who sit on corners smoking weeds, gambling and waiting for government handouts, and planning for breaking on them neighbor house and thief, and plan to even kill all them own family for what them have. We have 2 sets of Jamaican. We have the parasites and the builders. Only supports the builders. I support the builders. I hate the parasites them with a passion. That's why I do the jingle. Yeah. You understand when I start there. The video. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization thrives on the parasites. That's why they hate Andrew Holness. His policies uplift the responsible and expose the freeloaders. So the third term on the road to the 4th. Holness' 3rd term isn't just a victory, it's a foundation for a 4th Jamaican term. 4th term. The Jamaicans can see progress, highways, job opportunities, stable dollar, and resilience through global crisis. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization fears that another Holness victory will shatter their hold forever. It will prove that Jamaica is ready to permanently reject laziness, corruption, and criminality in politics. In them life, them don't want it in them space. Jamaican people want to enjoy themselves, go out and party, because them love party. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminals are the parasites in Jamaica. I'm not say it without any apologies. Born and raised around them. Live with them. I worse people them for you get yourself involved with. I tell you, worse woman them. I'm say it without any apologies. Worse woman them in Jamaica for get involved yourself. The PNP woman them have PNP freeloading thinking. Them lie, them wicked and all of them thing there. Dash your belly, dirty bungle, corals now, corobunkers. I saw them stay. Them want them cake and eat it. And them love men who are liar and criminals. May I tell you that? So, no country can rise if criminals are celebrated. Look at the disgrace of Isaac Buchanan, a twice convicted court dealer sitting in parliament. This is the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization role model. Normalize crime, elevate criminals, and poison our future. Andrew Wallace have to go fix it now. Andrew Wallace represents the opposite. Under his leadership, the message is clear. Criminals must be shunned, shamed, and discarded. That's the only way to build a Jamaica where children's dream of honest professionals and grow into professions, not criminal lifestyle. So let's spell it out. PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization supporters hate Andrew Holness because he has succeeded where they fail. He gave hope where they sow despair. He empowers young taxpayers while they chain people to dependency. Andrew Holness proved Jamaican can progress without glorifying criminals. The age is not a sign of his weakness, but of his strength. Young Jamaicans, take note. The struggle isn't just political, it's generational. Holness is laying a foundation that you can build on. Don't be fooled by the noise of parasites who want your future sold for handouts, 5 grand, vote for them and 5 years, them not get nothing else. If you have to wait for another 5 grand. You are taxpayers, you are builders, you are the future. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization represent criminality, corruption, and decay in our society. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization, they resent you because you cannot be bought with crumbs. They hate you because you are too awake to fall for their tricks. That's why they don't like me, because I see through them because I born and grow on them. Family, the Jamaica we want is one where criminals are discarded and decent Jamaicans rise. Prime Minister Andrew Holness' leadership is about more than a third term. It's about shaping a better Jamaica, where we get the lexicon, get with this criminality out of the people, their mindset, and make them embrace honesty, decency, ethics, morality, and when I'm not criminal as a role model. The PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization can rant, scheme, and slander, but they cannot erase the fact. Jamaicans see with their own eyes who's working for them, and when history is written, Andrew Holness will stand tall as Prime Minister, as the Prime Minister who broke the chains of criminal politics in Jamaica. Whether or not the PNP LGBTQ plus criminal organization like it, Andrew Holness is going to be here forever until him dead, because he's getting rid of criminality out of the people, them psyche. Have yourself a beautiful day. And we're proud of Andrew Holness. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.